Hi everyone, and welcome to Mind Your Money. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you daily healthy financial habits, actual steps to keep control over our finances. So if that interests you, then please stay tuned. Welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. If you are currently legacy builder, thank you so much for being here. If you are here for the first time, we are legacy building over here, and I would appreciate if you subscribe, click like, and follow us on our journey to debt freedom, leaving a financial legacy, and just contributing to this community which provides support for those who are on the same journey. In order to manage our money well, we need to follow a consistent task list. The steps we take are detailed, but they are important to make sure that we are on pace to fulfilling and completing our financial goals. Now, you may have different steps, or you may follow the same steps but in a different order. The point is, we're trying to share our journey to help others and encourage others to manage their money well. So for beginners, or even if you're intermediate level at this budgeting and managing money section of your life, please make sure to follow along with me and hopefully share this video with someone else you think it may benefit. In order to be a better manager of money, we need to have a consistent task list when it comes to managing our finances. From creating the budget to tracking our expenses to reconciling the budget, every single step we take is making us aware of where our money has come from and where our money has gone. So giving our money an assignment is the first important step of any successful budget. Good morning. Good morning, Joseph. Step 1, balance checks. If you are a cash budgeter, this means making sure your paychecks or your income has been deposited into your accounts prior to pulling out the cash, or checking the cash balances in your primary or even your secondary cash envelopes. If you are mostly digital like me, this means you will log into your bank accounts and make sure nothing suspicious is going on and knowing how much is available. This is a daily task of mine because we have multiple streams of income and deposits come in randomly throughout the week, throughout the month. This helps to stay on top of our money. Step 2 is credit card tracking. Now, if you know that you're not responsible with using a credit card, or if you know that you are not able to use a credit card responsibly because of a spending habit or spending addiction, you can replace credit card with debit card. I track our credit card transactions daily because we need to, 1, know if we're under our 30% utilization, 2, tracking our cash rewards, 3, making sure we have not overspent in our budget categories. For example, household items, groceries, clothes, etc. Step 3 is checking your spending accounts. How much has been spent, and should we increase our spending or fund money? For cash budgeters, this would be the time where you check to see how much cash money is available in your spending envelopes for beauty, eating out, fun, etc. For us, this looks like taking the time to review how much I've spent and figure out how much I should transfer into these accounts for future fun spending. Step 4, close out the budget. Know what happened in every week of the entire month. This is where we take the time to review what income came in from all usable sources, how much money we need to cover bills and expenses for the month, since we are 1 month ahead of our expenses. Step 3 is transferring the funds into our sinking funds, digital envelopes, and paying debt or investing. This is so important because we need to know if the budget we created is successful or not. Step 5 is savings trackers. This is how we stay motivated, by tracking our savings challenges, our debt repayment, even our investing. The most fun part about being an adult who budgets is the coloring. Step 6 is pre-plan. So this is where we pre-plan our paycheck budget for the next week. So we budget by paycheck, and this budgeting by paycheck method has been a game changer for us. To see each and every time we get a direct deposit or we get a paycheck from our 9-to-5 income, we know where that money is going before it actually hits the account. We use this method to track money as soon as it comes in. And you want to have a plan already. So all you need to do is tweak it according to how much more came in. Think positive here. Always expect more money, but budget for the least amount. Now that all of these steps are completed, we can sit back and enjoy ourselves and check on the budget once per day to see that everything is going according to plan, and make sure that nothing funny is going on with our accounts, because that is super, super important. Want to make sure things have cleared that should have cleared and stick to the plan. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, click subscribe if you haven't already, along with that notification bell so you'll know when to come back around. Until then, continue to mind your money, manage it well, and live life abundantly. Bye for now.